How to use iSinkwe. iSinkwe converts Microsoft DOCX and PDF documents to EPUB 3. Choose your DOCX or PDF document to upload. Select reflowable or fixed layout for the EPUB 3 document. Optionally, enter the title and author for the EPUB 3 document if you know them. Click Convert to start the process. Do not close or move away from the web page while it is busy with the upload and conversion. Download or delete your EPUB 3 document on the Download Converted EPUB 3 page. iSinkwe synchronises computer-generated or human-narrated audio with the text of your EPUB 3 document. Choose your EPUB 3 document to upload. Select the main language of your document. This sets the language of the computer-generated audio. If human-narrated audio is provided, it must match the language of the narrator. Select computer-generated audio if you do not have human-narrated audio files. Select the voice characteristics of the computer-generated audio, for example, male or female. If human-narrated audio is provided, it must match the characteristics of the narrator. Click Synchronize to start the process. Once the upload is completed, you may close or move away from the web page while it is busy with the synchronization. Track the progress of your EPUB 3 document on the View Synchronization Progress page. There are 6 stages in the synchronization process, namely, preparing if human-narrated audio is provided, uploaded, validating, validated, synchronizing, and either done or failed. To synchronize an EPUB 3 document with human-narrated audio, complete the same steps. However, ensure that human-narrated audio is selected as the audio type. Optionally, enter the narrator of the audio if you know it. Select the voice characteristics that match those of the narrator, for example, male or female. Click Next to upload the audio files. Choose the audio files to upload in correspondence with the sections of the table of contents. The audio files can be in MP3, OGG, FLAC, or WAV formats. If you prefer that a section does not contain any audio, select Skip Audio. If you want to add computer-generated audio to a section, either select it from the list or leave the section on human-narrated audio without uploading an audio file. Computer-generated audio is added by default unless explicitly stated otherwise. Click on Synchronize to start the process. Once the upload has completed, you may close or move away from the web page while it is busy with the synchronization. You will receive an email once the process is complete. Download your synchronized EPUB document, which now contains audio, or optionally, download just the MP3 audio of your document if computer-generated audio was selected. iSinkwe reads EPUB 3 documents with synchronized audio. To add a document to the library, click on the plus icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Browse to and select the document, then click Open. All library items indicate the name of the document as well as the author and narrator if present. A progress bar indicates the reading progress made on each document. Click on the library item to read the document, view its information, or delete it. Once a document is opened, more reading and navigation functionality are made available. To the right of the Back to Library button is the Table of Contents button. In the pop-up window are Table of Contents, Landmarks, and Page List for navigating to different sections of the document. The landmarks and page list are only available if they have been set by the publisher. Choose an entry from the list to jump to that section. To the right of the Table of Contents button is the name of the document, and to the right of that, the Settings button. In the pop-up window are settings related to the text and audio of the document. In the text settings, change the font size, font face, font color, and highlighting colors of the different levels. In the audio settings, change the volume, playback rate, and scrolling mode. If the scrolling mode is set to manual, you'll have to scroll manually through the text as the audio is being read. At the bottom of the screen are the audio controls. They are from left to right: repeat audio, previous section, skip backwards, play or pause audio, skip forward, next section, and switch audio level. The latter button at the far right toggles between word, sentence, and paragraph level. The level selected here determines the behavior of the repeat audio, skip backward, and skip forward buttons at the bottom, as well as the copy text button at the top.
Perhaps it hasn't one, Alice ventured to remark. Child, said the Duchess. Child, said the Duchess. Perhaps it hasn't one, Alice ventured to remark. Everything's got a moral if only you can find it.
Optionally, start playing the audio by clicking on any word in the section. Click on the Copy button, right of the Settings button, to copy the word, sentence, or paragraph that is currently highlighted. The copied text can then be pasted into any outside program. Search for specific words in a section by clicking the Find button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Type the keyword and click on the Find Previous or Find Next button to jump to the search results.
Delightful thing a lobster quadrille is.
The iSinkwe user manual provides more detailed instructions on how to use iSinkwe.